Well, changing window wipers on a BMW, it's a 420D 2015. There may be different variants of different BMWs, but these two Bosch wipers are the ones that fit. That's the driver's side, which is AP24U. The passenger side is AP18U, as you can see there. Got these from Halfords, not very cheap at all. I think it's about 40 quid. I do get trade, so I had a few quid off, but for the general public, you're looking at 40 quid just for the two wipers. These are seriously simple to fit. You do see people outside struggling in the car park and they end up paying Halfords to fit it. You don't need to. I'll show you now. That's the wiper. I have already changed the driver's side and doing the passenger side. It's easy to get the camera to buy it, but you've got nothing on the top of this, look, as you can see. You got a little box that comes with it, and there's loads of different attachments, obviously for different vehicles, so that these wipers will fit quite a few different cars. You've got lots of different attachments, as you can see there. That's the one that we need. But then you've also got this one, and this one. So what you want to do to start off with, we're going to pull the window wiper off. We're going to check that bracket fits, then we'll sort it and fit it. What I'll do is I'll pull it off and then I'll show you it. It's easier. It literally takes seconds to get off. It can be a bit stiff. That's what you've got there. Literally, there's a bracket on the wiper. It just slides over there and clicks in. You press those two prongs there to release it. It is a bit stiff, but yeah, that's how it works, just those. What we'll do, that's definitely the one that we need, but I'm going to do a quick trial fit now, just to slide this in, just to make sure it's the one. As you can see, that's number 2. So what we're going to do, you've got like a little box on the end. This literally slides in there like that, and then it clips into place there. It don't fit brilliantly, you've got to force this end. That's not actually fitted, look, it's just sliding in and out. Technically, that should click by there, but it doesn't. You've sort of got to push it up inside this, but that's how it fits, so we know it's that one. On the wiper now, you've obviously got a direction arrow, so it goes that way. The little arrow is there, and you've got a little arrow on there. This is a bit tight to clip on, but basically, you push it over the top there, just like that. That one was actually easier than the driver's side. Now, get it into there, slide it up. You've got a little prong at the end there. That little prong goes down inside there. So, slide it up, and then click, that's fitted. Look, it's on. Absolutely solid, and job done. These old ones can go in the bin. You don't need these fittings unless you've got a friend with a different car that may need them, but they're all numbered 1 to 4. That's 1. 2's on there. You got 3 and 4. Yeah, but that's it. That's how you fit window wipers to a BMW. I hope the video helped you out, save you a couple of quid. If you're having problems fitting your own window wipers, just drop a comment on the video. I'll give you a hand. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.